Displaying the log table. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to display the log chart. The log file is displayed in the panel that appears when the Display Log File option is clicked on the Layer Options menu in the Layer box. In the log file, which geometric actions was taken by whom at what time in the layer is listed. When you click the button to the right of the actions, you can see the old and new state of the geometry in the panel that appears, and you can return the geometry to its previous state. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.